What did you do to this engine to make it look like this? So is this just a Hornby Hot Wheels crossover or what? Why pink? Out of all colors, why pink? Why did you choose pink? And it's like it's the whole. You could have at least added some lining to it. How are you supposed to move around? Like, I see those bogies over there, but like, who designed this? Why? I think that smoke box is a little too small for this engine. Why did they have to paint this? Why did they paint you like Peter? Peter, why are you a train? This does not look like Thomas, sir. I'm sorry, must be confusing this engine with Thomas. And I don't know how you can do that. Why? No, 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 no. Why did you make this? This is just wrong on so many levels. Really long, salty. Now I know why they call you Thomas the Tank Engine. I have no words. Just. I have nothing to say about this. Thomas, where's your face? Who thought of this? And why did that person think of this? Just why? This shit isn't creepy, it's just cursed. Battery train. Because why not? We have a battery tanker. Cool. Oh look, another one. There are two of them now. Okay, I'll stop. You're trying to make a steam engine look like a modern electric engine. And it just looks so wrong. So fucking wrong. Why do you have three just squash tenders when you could have just one long tender? So are you a steam engine or like a diesel engine? Cause I don't know which one you are. Again, which one are you? I don't know. Which one are you? Steam or diesel? What the fuck? Why? Just why? The worst thing about it is that its wheelbase is like 28884, and it just looks just it's too long. Okay, even the boil is too big. Oh look, he's the small brother of the big boy. The small boy. Honestly, who made? Honestly, just kill it. Take it out of its misery. Who even thought of this? And why? Henry, put down the whiskey. You're getting too drunk. You know, I think it's time to end the video. Like and subscribe, or else Drunk Henry will come to your house.